How to hide a page in Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make pages hidden in your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the online store here, and then you will find pages tab here. You can click on it, and then you will see all of your pages in your store. So I only have one page, which is the contact page, and as you can see the visibility is visible, so it is in my store. So I'm gonna change the visibility. You can just click on it, and then in the right side here there is visibility. So actually you can set the visibility date if you want, or if you want to just remove it or make it hidden, you can just click hidden here, and then you can just click save, and it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.